This video is going to show you how to write papers in MLA style. We're going to start with the header, and in order to get to our header, we're going to double click in the right upper corner. And now we're in our header, as you can see. We're going to start with the page number. So page number can be found in header and footer under design in case it doesn't pop up. So we click on page number, we go to top of page, and we're going to scroll down to plain number 3. Now this allows us to have this page number, but we also need our last name. And I'm going to pretend to be Monica Wilson today. My last name is Wilson, so I'm going to put it in here, and we're going to put a space in between my last name and page number. Now we want to make sure that this is the correct font, and the MLA font is Times New Roman, and the size is 12. So see how I highlighted my last name and the page number together. Some students make the mistake of highlighting only one, either the page number or the last name, and that's incorrect. To get out of the header, we double click somewhere in the middle of the page. And again, to get in, if you notice that you made a mistake, maybe you forgot to change the size of the font, again, you double click in that corner to get in, okay? Now we can work on our information for the left upper corner. We're going to start with our first and last name. My name is Monica Wilson today. And my professor's name is Professor Hay. Some students like to write that, or first and last name of the professor. The class I'm in is, let's say, ELIC 20. And today's date is, let's say, August 14th, 2018. Please pay attention to the spelling. The day goes first, then the month. In MLA style, the month has to be spelled out. And the assignment I'll be working on is journal number 1. And I want to make sure that this is the correct font also. See how it changed to this one? We need to make sure that it's in our Times New Roman and that it's in size 12. And also what's important is the spacing. So to make sure that we fix that, we go to paragraph and we click on this in this corner here. We want to make sure that we have all zeros here, 0, 0, 0, and this one is 8. We need to click it so that we have 0. Line spacing needs to be double. And that's it. We click OK, and when I click OK, please pay attention to how the spacing changes here, because that's what MLA looks like. Okay, the last thing I want to do is to make sure that journal is in the middle of the page, just like my teacher really wants to see it. And then to start my paragraph, I will go back to the beginning of the page, maybe click tab to start a paragraph from this place, and that's it. Best of luck to everyone.